Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In our tutorial today, we are going to solve this exponential equation that is in the base e. It says e to the power of 2 to the 2 x equal to e to the power of x plus 6. We're asked to find the value of x. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to also press the bell icon so as to get notified when our new maths Olympiad contents are being uploaded. Now, to solve these questions, all we need to do is to note something, that the value e to the power of x can also be expressed as, we can also let it be a value so that we can easily substitute and then solve this equation finally. So we can now let e to the power of x to be equal to y. We let e to the power of x to be equal to y. That means e to the power of 2x will be equal to y squared. That's what it means. So if we apply that to that equation, we're going to have y squared to be equal to y plus 6. So we arrange that equation. If we rearrange it, y will come over to the left hand side, and plus 6 will also move over to the left hand side, and that will give us y squared minus y minus 6, and that will be equal to 0. This has formed what we call a quadratic equation. Now, having gotten a quadratic equation, what should come to our mind is how to solve the quadratic equation. In that quadratic equation, we are asked to find two factors. We will be using the factorization method. So we'll find two factors that we can multiply to give us minus 6, and when we add them, it gives us minus 1, which is minus y. And the two factors will be minus 3 and plus 2. Minus 3 times plus 2 will give us minus 6, and minus 3 plus 2 will give us minus 1. So if we substitute that into the expression, we'll have a 2 factor, y minus 3, and then we'll have y plus 2. These are the two factors. Both will be equal to 0. From this expression, y minus 3 can be equal to 0, and also y plus 2 can also be equal to 0. So our y here will be equal to 3, and our y over here will be equal to minus 2. From that expression, remember that we said our e to the power of x is equal to y. So we're going to find the value of y, because the question says we should find the value of x. So we've been given the value of y. We know the value of y from solving the quadratic equation. So all we need to do is to find the value of y. So to find the value of x, to find the value of x, we are going to simplify into this. So we'll use the first equation. We'll let our y to be equal to 3. So e to the power of x will be equal to 3. From this expression, you'll come to see that we can only solve this equation by taking the logarithm of both sides. So we can take the natural logarithm of both sides, or the logarithm of both sides. So we're going to take the log of both sides. If we take the log of both sides, the natural log of both sides, this will give us in of e to the power of x equal to in of 3. From the rules of logarithm, the x will multiply the natural log of e, and that will be equal to the natural log of 3. So x multiplied by the natural log of e, according to laws of logarithm, the natural log of e is 1. So x times 1 will give us x to be equal to the natural log of 3. That is for that. The other expression, we find out that our y is equal to minus 2. So if we put that to that expression, our e to the power of x will be equal to minus 2. And we know this expression cannot stand because this is a non-real value or number. A natural logarithm cannot take a negative number. So as a result of that, we are going to neglect the solution. So the solution to that exponential equation x will be equal to n of 3. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos. Do share this video with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon in order to get notified when we upload our latest Maths to Olympiad content. Thanks so much for watching.